everyone, this is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards. Welcome back to my channel. So April is my birthday month, and my husband and my kiddos decided to get me some gift cards since we can't go anywhere, which is fine. I online shop all the time. I'm probably notorious in the house for being the online window shopper. My wish lists are huge. But I did use one at scrapbookpal.com. And I really like their site. Their prices are very, they're very good. And I didn't get too much. I just got a couple of things that I didn't, have before to make some scene cards with. So this is my second take at this video. My husband is out in the garage doing a little spring cleaning. And of course my dogs are going nuts because they want to be out there with him. So back to the haul. I got So Jelly, and I did stamp this once for you guys, and I'll show you the what I stamped. But I just love these little sea creatures. Anything that has to do with the sea, I'm all about. I won't go in the ocean, but I will sit on the beach any day of the week. So this is So Jelly, little fireflies, and I just love, it just reminds me of summer and the kids going out and catching little fireflies. Sealed with a Kiss. And I love these little seals. They're so cute. All Lon Bon's little characters are cute. Octopi My Heart. And I love how it comes with like this little bow and the little bubbles. Stud Puffin. Hedgehogs. Which these are so cute. How could you not think these aren't adorable? Seahorse and Around. Will You Be Mine. And I love these little sets. And then I did get Manatee-rific. I thought this would be cute to add to like a little ocean theme. And then I also got the Long Cuts, the grass border, because I did not have this before. So that's all the Lon Bon stuff. And I did pick up 2 Gina K stencils. I have been in love with her stencils forever now. So I got the Sunshine stencil. I don't know why that didn't just come to me. But I like how you have this masking piece too. And you can just create all kinds of, different backgrounds with this. So I'm super excited to use these. And then I also got the Sunspot stencil. And I cannot wait to play with this guy. So many different backgrounds come to mind with this. So now I have tons of things to play with, so there'll be more videos. I do want to order from the Not Too Shabby shop. I love her stuff. Hopefully, with it being my birthday month, I'll get a couple more gift cards to fulfill some of my wish lists. But here's some of the stamps that I had stamped out for you guys before my, dogs decided to go nuts. But they're just super cute. I really just, I'm in love with these little creatures and the little bubbles. But Jamie at the Not Too Shabby shop, she's doing a coloring. Sometimes my words just do not come to me. But she has been doing like donuts, and I think yesterday she did brownies. So you guys will have to check out her shop too. I'm not affiliated with anybody. I just love her stuff and her videos. So I will make sure that I link everything I can below in the description box. But yeah, those are 2 sites. Definitely check them out. I mean, they have a lot of varieties. I do want to get some watercolors, like the actual pan sets. Hopefully soon. I have the Zig, what are they? The Zig Clean Color Real Brush pens, and I love those. I have some watercolor pencils. I haven't played around with those too much, and I need to. I need to, start using those a little bit more. I don't really have a whole lot of alcohol markers, which is fine. I mean, I love watercoloring. It's just getting all of the paper for watercoloring. I did pick up a couple things from Joann's, but it was just the curbside to go. It was just things that I needed, like watercolor paper. So yeah, just I would check those guys out. And I will leave links to the Not Too Shabby and Scrapbook Pal. But I'm really happy with my purchases. Like I said, oh, with Joann's, I just got a couple things that I needed. Just a couple ink pads. Let's see, what did I get? Oh, I got some new distressed ink pads. Just a couple colors I didn't have yet, which are a lot, but. And then I picked up some more Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I struggle with that. So you guys have any suggestions other than heat embossing, let me know, because I am struggling with the Tuxedo Black, with the Memento. For some reason, every time I use it, even on my watercolor paper, it just smears. So, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great weekend. And yeah, I'll leave the links in the description box below. Bye!